If you click in the search box along the top of the Drive screen, you'll see all of your previous searches that can be rerun, as well as shortcuts to show specific types of documents, documents you've edited today, or documents you've edited in the past week. You can also click on Advanced Search to enter a mix of criteria, including the document type, the owner of the document, when it was last modified, and even if it's been deleted and is in the bin. Return to My Drive to view all files again. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris if you want to know more about G Suite.